Hi Pisces! Welcome back sa ating Tagalog reading channel. At gagawin natin na yung love reading collective for the month of March 2024. Current energy check into sa inyong love situation. And maaaring mag-resonate ito the next 3 to 6 months, Pisces collective. Remember na ito ay isang collective reading at hindi personal reading. So maaaring mag-resonate sa inyo at maaaring hindi. Okay? Depende sa current energy na china-channel natin for the collective. May certain group na magre-resonate dito, maaaring hindi rin kayo mag-resonate. So, it only means na ang reading na to hindi para sa inyo. I might tap into your energy next month. Okay? So, collective Pisces. Okay, tingnan natin ang inyong love reading for the month of March 2024 all the way to the next 3 to 6 months. Current energy check-in to. Alright? And then, maaaring mag-resonate to from March, April, May, June, July, and August. Kukuha tayo ng 5 baraha at i-clarify natin sila isa-isa ng oracle card na ginamit natin kanina. Alright, collective Pisces sa inyong love spread reading sa March. Ang unang baraha ay dyan ang 7 of Cups. Pangalawang baraha nandyan ang Ace of Pentacles. Pisces. Nandyan ang 3 of Wands. So, Cups, Pentacles, Wands, nandyan. At nandyan uli ang, wow, may Swords, Queen of Swords. So, lahat ng element meron ka. Cups, Pentacles, Wands, Sword. At lastly, meron kang Pentacles, King of Pentacles. So, meron kang dalawang court card, King and Queen. So, tingnan natin to. Tingnan muna natin from the get-go, okay? Ang narrative nitong main cards mo. May new beginning, no? Na nag-aantay para sa'yo, Pisces. Okay? Opportunity to grow to something serious. Pwede rin entering a commitment or entering something na may potential na magkaroon ng commitment, no? Relationship. Okay? Although, sabi natin, may confusion or may mga options surrounding you and your person right na disconnection. Okay? May illusion din, may mga confusion, halo-halong mixed emotions na lang. Sabihin natin ganon. But may opportunity naman kasi to na ma-develop. Okay? Or maraming dinidate, pwedeng ikaw ang napipisil. Or it could be you or them. I-reverse nyo ang situation nyo. Maraming long distance relationship, may physical distance na involved kasi may travel na required. 3 of Wands. Nakita mo to. Yung 2 of Wands nandoon, gumawa na siya ng desisyon, maaaring mag-decide to na kitain ka. Okay? Could be that. No, may inaantay sila. May time na involved then, okay? Basta may decision na kailangan gawin or maaaring gawin or napag-desisyonan na to. To see you, to be with you, to travel to see you as well, physical distance, no? Nagko-contemplate tong taong to. Okay? Pero may mas dominant na decision siyang napipili. Okay? Could be you or them, Pisces. Now, Queen of Swords, just be careful, no? It could be your person, okay? Reverse yung situation. Kasi, ang Queen of Swords guarded to, no? Masyado tong guarded sa puso niya. Ayaw niya nasasaktan siya. Kaya, tingnan mo, yung sword laging nasa harapan lang niya. Na ready siyang mag-cut out ng mga bullshit or dishonesty. Okay? Kasi nandyan nga si 7 of Cups. Nalilito. Kasi ito, kailangan to ng clarity. Okay? Ang Queen of Swords, very truthful, napaka-honest. So, kung may energy ng kalituhan, 7 of Cups, maraming option, maraming babae, maraming lalaki, maraming dinidate, magkakos to ng doubt. Magkakos ang to sa Queen of Swords na protection na ng puso niya. Kasi may reason naman, di ba? Okay? Pero kung sakaling pumasok to, pumatok sa puso mo, tong person na to, at ipakita niya more into action, no? Yung interest niya sa'yo, no? Kasi 3 of Wands, more on action ng mga Wands. Ang Pentacles, something na tangible to, no? Nakikita ko yan, nararamdaman ko. Dinidesire mo ko. You're pining me, di ba? You're pining from afar sa akin. Yung namimiss mo ko, you're longing for me, no? Kasi capable, feeling ko, capable tong si King of Pentacles na ibigay yun. Kasi King na nga siya. So, barya lang sa kanya to eh. Walang ka-effort na actually kaya niyang ibigay ang Ace of Pentacles kung gusto niya, di ba? Pero may karapatan siyang i-hold, no? So, nararamdaman ko lang, maybe nasa dating game or playing the field, pero I felt strongly, no, it could be isa ka sa option, nandiyan si 3 of Wands eh. Okay? could be you or them. No? Feel free to reverse niyo yung situation. I-clarify natin isa-isa para makuha natin yung exact narrative, Pisces, ng yung love spread reading, no? For whoever will resonate, kasi collective reading to. Okay? Clarify natin. 7 of Cups, nandyan si Independence. Ace of Pentacles, focus. Nandyan si Artemis. Bow and arrow si Artemis, guys. Okay, focus. And then, nandyan si 3 of Wands, pinakapan ni Athena, knowledge. Okay. First time lumabas tong si Lilith, Independence, at si, I think, Artemis, no? So far sa mga reading na nabasa ko. Si Athena lumabas siya a while back kay, I think, kay Virgo, no? But anyway, Pisces, si Queen of Swords, binakapan ni Rebirth, okay? Kay Isis, okay? And then, si King of Pentacles, nandyan si Communion. So, sino? Si King of Pentacles mo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you could be dealing with, could be you or them, baka may earth element ka rin, yung moon and rising signs mo. But anyway, sabi ko sa'yo, may kakayahan to, no? Na mag-offer ng relationship, no? Coming together, or partnership, or alliance, or something meaningful. Tong communion na to, something deeper, pwedeng friendship din. Okay? Or could be more. Pwede siyang boyfriend-girlfriend material, relationship material. Okay? Itong si King of Pentacles na to. Could also be ambitious, hardworking, no? Independent, self-sufficient ng King of Pentacles. Maraming kayang ibigay. Nurturer to. Matured. Ano lang, ambitious, stable, could be rich, alam mo yun, well-off, hardworking, may magandang trabaho, okay, mga ganon. Anything that's material, meron siya, okay, kaya niya ibigay yan, okay. Guarded ka kasi, anong, may resistance ka sa changes, no, sa mga pagbabago, okay, pero, yun yung, ano mo something has died na, no? Pwedeng namatay na yung feelings mo sa person na to. Or hindi ka na interested. And then, bigla-bigla mabubuhay yung person na to, makikipag-reconnect sa'yo. That's what I mean. No, mabubuhay yung person. I mean, nare-relieve yung connection with this person out of the blue. And parang naku-cut off guard tayo, no? No, so, yun yung nararamdaman ko dito. It's not like na pinilit or ginusto natin. It just happened, no? Na hindi pa pala tapos to, no? Yung tao na to sa akin, hindi pa pala ako tapos sa taong to. So parang, teka lang, i-check ko muna kung ano ba talaga nararamdaman ko sa taong to. I need to protect my heart. Parang ganon, no? No? Pero, it's like the situation is there pa pala. Hindi pa pala naglaho. Okay, so may element of parang discerning ka dito, no? So yun nga, ina-assess mo yung feelings mo, no, nasa crossroad ka, although, nakagawa na siguro tayo, may mas dominant na choice or decision ka rito na gustong gawin. Kunwari sa dalawang sitwasyon, stay or to let go. Merong mas dominant dyan, for sure, no. Walang, no two feelings, no, or two choices are actually the same amount of parang affirmation or bigat sa'yo, okay. Isa dyan mas matimbang, okay. So, yun yung kailangan mong pag-aralan. Ano yung mas matimbang? Okay, maaaring masyado tayong logical Libra, no? Libra energy, no? Nire-resist natin tong second chance or reconciliation or regeneration na to na maaaring mabuhay ang connection na to, no? Nire-resist mo. Pero, dalawang option yan eh. Either i-entertain mo ba yung rebirth or ayaw mo na, no? Pero isa doon mas matimbang. Yun yung sinasabi dito, knowledge. So, tap into your wisdom and knowledge. Knowledge mo, Athena ka, you're smart. So, eto, yung approach na to, maaaring mas practical yung approach mo dito. Take things for what it is ka. See things for what it is, judge things for what it is, knowledge. So, alamin mo, magiging mas inquisitive ka. Okay, yan si Athena. She represents intellect, diba? So, yun ang sinasabi ko. Pag gumawa ka ng desisyon, mas logical dapat. Kasi lumabas si Libra, no? Knowledge. Nandiyan si Athena, and nandiyan si Queen of Swords, si Libra. Okay? So, mas ano ka ngayon? More like thinker ka pagdating sa pag-discern ng decision. Okay? Pero may mas matimbang din, like I said. And then, ang focus mo ngayon na sa Ace of Pentacles, sa Ace of Pentacles na to, sa new beginning na to, doon ka kailangan mag-focus. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi dito. Doon ka mag-focus sa something na makakapagbigay sa'yo talaga ng nakikita mo na maaaring mag-grow to somewhere. Hindi yung walang direksyon or walang patutunguhan. Okay? And then, kasi Ace of Pentacles is Ace of Pentacles. Tapos dinaka pa ng focus. So, as straightforward as it is yung explanation dyan. Okay? Huwag tayo mag-relapse. Okay? Or stuck sa matrix. Kailangan mo ng bagong simula. Okay? Something new or refreshing. Could be with the same person. Kung pipiliin mo, kasi yun yung mas matimbang, pero something refreshing dapat yung sitwasyon. Nandun ang focus mo. Ibig sabihin yung focus is kung saan na-train ang eye mo, kung saan na-train ang thought mo at ang heart mo. Dapat in alignment yan para ma-put mo into action yung mga manifestations and yung beginning na yan. Okay? I think kailangan mo i-manifest tong offer na to, tong relationship na to. Okay? Hindi yun sa walang patutunguhan. Huwag ka doon. Now, yung 7 of Cups, no? Binaka pa ng independence. So, marami kang option right now, no? Maraming suitors or pwede ka mag-entertain naman ng iba kung gusto mo. It's your choice. May free will ka. Independent woman ka, independent man, independent person ka, independent thinker ka. Empowered ka eh. Alam mo yung gagawin mo. Marami ka ring priorities right now. Nandiyan ng fire, nandiyan ng water, nandiyan ng rainbow, nandiyan ng leaves, tapos may dove, may stars and all, no? So, maaari na independent kang i-pursue kahit ano dyan sa dream mo. Hindi lang tong love na to. May choice ka rin to stay. Or maaari din na marami kang option sa dating. Maaari kang makakalala ng bago kung gusto mo eh. Okay? Naniniwala ko, you can attract anyone you want. Kasi, be more in tune sa sarili mo. Okay? Be yourself. Yan ang essence ng independence dyan. Yung kumbaga, mag-set ka ng expectation mo. Ano yung expectation mo sa relationship? Huwag mo ika-compromise. Huwag mo ika-compromise yung values mo, yung moral code mo, moral compass mo. These things, no, na part ng kung sino ka, no? So, yun ang sense of independence mo. I-apply mo yan sa mga bagay or connections na nalilito tayo kung ano ang pipiliin natin. Okay? Hindi yan yung kanta na sana dalawa ang puso ko. No. Mali yun eh. Be more independent para hindi ka nalilito. Yung sana ang dalawang puso ko na song is sa inyo na nalilito siya. Okay? Na wala siyang clarity sa kung anong gusto niya. Yun ang message dito. Yun ang sinasabi dito sa'yo. Sa love situation mo, Pisces, no? Okay? Clarity. Kasi nandiyan ang Queen of Swords, nandiyan si Athena. Approach this with logic. Okay? But then again, you're free to choose anything you like about your connection or kung sino may romantic relationship na gusto mo. Okay? So, sana nag-resonate ang reading na to para sa'yo, Pisces, no? And I'll see you guys on your next month reading. Take care, Pisces. God bless. Mahal ko kayo. Bye!